she fuck with the campaign. Let her on the boat, bizzle. She gon' give us top, man. She gon' let the team hit. Hey, Wolf, grab the life jacket. We bout to see if these hoes can swim. Yeah. Hey, fuck it, yeah, we might grab her. But let's see if these hoes with him. Yeah.
Loving you is easy cause you're beautiful. Every day in my life is filled with loving you. But we just fucking. I can't love you, cause I don't trust you.
Yo, I told you, Pippin ain't dead. Y'all just scared.
Sally sells seashells down by the seashore, but who knew that Sally would be nothing but a street whore? How much wood could one bitch suck if the one bitch could suck wood? I know this one bitch, she's not that pretty, but she suck dick good. Got the fellatio, now it's time to go. Off to see the wizard, trying to find the gold. I ain't lost my feeling for these hoes a long time ago. Like, where did these feelings go? I would never know. I ain't let the drug take control a long time ago. I ain't never forget the first time I pulled. Like,
loving you is easy cause you're beautiful. Every day in my life is filled with loving you. But we just fucking. I can't love you. I don't trust you.
Freak hoes do the most, yeah. Complaining, putting on the clothes, yeah. She says you really gotta go, yeah. Hit it twice and I'm a ghost, yeah. Love is such an inconvenience, nigga. So I'ma kick it, play the game. Shawty says you niggas all the same, but it's a brand new day, got brand new bitches. Got brand new dope, shit smell so pretty. Brand new money with old folks in it. Nigga, I'm winning. Turn a 7 to a bag. Roll a 7 in the cash. Shawty, is you really mad? Cause you can really put your feelings in the trash.
But if you wanna be my undercover lover, yeah, I promise not to love you. I think that pussy tryna tell me something. You could be the one, but I'm not in the numbers. Loving you is easy cause you're beautiful. Every day in my life is filled with loving you. But we just fucking. I can't love you. I don't trust you.
Hit your lights, man, I'm parked on the road. I ain't got time for them folks. They already know what you came for. If you need drugs, use the back door. L-I-W-Y-M-I L-I-W-Y-M-I Life is what you make, and I'm a money maker. Same shit, different day. Same nigga getting paid. I'm the reason why they hate, cause I'm living life how I want to every single day. Run it up, run so much it still ain't losing weight. Japanese on a Tuesday, got us night every other day. Olive Garden for a lunch break, call in, don't even wait. L-I-W-Y-M-I, y'all don't get it, life is what you make it. I'ma flip it till I get enough, and I dare a young nigga try to take it. Sending open invitations, I'm looking for you, no laces. Half you niggas really basic, just try to fake it till you make it. Not playing God, but I'm blessing. Just call my phone if you stressing. Hit your lights, man, I'm parked on the road. I ain't got time for them folks. They already know what you came for. If you need drugs, use the back door. L-I-W-Y-M-I L-I-W
hustle for the music, I don't know what I do. Trapping just to stay alive, ain't no way to live. Niggas hit you when they need a blessing. I give it when I ain't got enough to give. But I know one day the sun gon' shine and I'm gon' fly. But until then, bring a friend, tell a friend come shop with me. Been high, still high, no heat, real thrax on me. Real shit, no flex, no job, but I steady need a check. Respect my grind, God bless my mind, cause a nigga going crazy. Real shit, I'm sick of working hard, cause the other nigga lazy. Swear to God they made me, but my mama really made me. With my daddy help, I can do bad all by myself, but I don't wanna do it alone. Teamwork make the dream work, that's all you need to know. Counting money by the bowl, all this money let them know. Get your lights, man, don't park on the road. I ain't got time for them folks. They already know what you came for. If you need drugs, use the back door. L-I-W-Y-M-I L-I-W-Y-M-I Life is what you make, and I'm a money maker. You know we smoke what we.
You're now listening to the smooth sounds of Rick and Thaddeus music.
Lately you been doing shit I don't need. I thought you was the one, turns out I don't need you. Lately you been acting like we low-key. I dropped all of my hoes thinking I don't need them. Lately you been acting like we low-key. Lately you been doing shit I don't need.
I see you stunting, and I see you fronting when your pockets hurting. Don't remember me. You caught me slipping on that Hennessy. Tried to flip this party to your fantasy. You know I'm getting paid. You know I'm sitting straight. Think you can wrap me around your panky? I'ma watch you sit and wait. Go ahead and ask me how I'm doing. Bitch, I'm cool and doing great. She said you don't miss me, not unless you talking about the next. But you only looking for a check. Conceited in features, you can't even feature for free. I'ma count up this money and roll up this doty. Don't think you was chiefing with me.
Lately you been doing shit I don't need. I thought you was the one, turns out I don't need you. Lately you been acting like we low-key. I dropped all of my hoes thinking I don't need them. Lately you been acting like we low-key. Lately you been doing shit I don't need. I need all of you and me right now. These drugs got me way too high right now. So whatever you can come my way. Save me. Girl, quit playing. I hear your body calling. I know that you're fiending. When it comes to you, them lips make me wanna taste you. Lately you been doing shit I don't need. I thought you
No need.
Lately you been acting like we low key. I dropped all of my hoes thinking I don't need them. Lately you been acting like we low key. Lately you been doing shit I don't need.
Need to fix this. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Ricky here. I am a VWAP and Golden Pocket Trader, scalper, whatever you want to call it. Let's look at some coins. Look at some charts. See what's going on. Let me know if the music is too loud. So I'm gonna turn this 9-day GP off for clutter. For clutter purposes. Yeah. I guess it doesn't want to turn itself on. All right, go ahead and hit that like button for the algo. You know, appreciate you.
Jay Cameron.
So we got a bearish open here. But it's interesting because, so last week, on last Sunday, we were talking about getting up here to our weekly GP, which we can see is what we got. Last week we reset as the weekly GP reset as resistance, and now we're here. So the big question is, you know, I drew this a couple days ago and we're finally here. Are we going to get above this and stay above this weekly GP, or are we about to get back below? So a few things that I'm looking at. Get rid of these squiggles is now we have officially came back to the weekly GP, which was the trade for the week. We never came back down and made any new lows. So now that we have a new week here, I can say we can be bullish until we're not. So this weekly GP reset basically under last week's GP, and technically now it's support along with this daily GPS support. So a few things we can watch out for them. This is all the high that they're going to take for Sunday, and we get them moved back down, taking all this Sunday out like we're good for doing. And we started working our way back up coming into this week. So we got some news that Trump is signing or has signed. I don't know if it's already signed or what's going on, but it's Buddy's birthday today, so they're pumping the markets. Alternatively, if we don't come back down to a daily GP, just say this weekly GP holds, I think we're gonna come back down because we got this bearish open. I don't see them pumping it out of here. And we are at I didn't bring this up last time, but we are also at our monthly deviation zone. Why it's not showing, I'm not sure. So we are in our monthly deviation, so I'm not sure why it's not popping up. Give me a second. It's not showing up on any of my charts. That's weird. Oh, I guess it is showing up. But when I saw this earlier, this didn't look like this, so maybe that's not what I saw. Maybe I was looking at something else. Well, if this is the case, then if we get above this weekly and we hold, or clearly we're above it right now, it's support. We got monthly deviations up here all the way up as far as 73K if we are to break out from this range. It's a pretty nice range for Sunday, so we got a ways to go for as far as the breakout is concerned. I don't remember the deviation being that high, but maybe something changed when I wasn't paying attention. ETH is not saying that. Okay, so on Ethereum, we got a bearish open as well. I'm kind of torn in between if I want to say this is weekly resetting at support. On the regular candles, it is resetting at support, but on the Heikin-Ashi, we have yet to come back above weekly GP. So if we can't get back above it, and we come back down here and test this daily GP, we'll be looking for longs down there. And on the regular candles, that would bring us down. They're kind of in the same places, but we could just watch both zones. Bitcoin looks a little bit better than Ethereum, which is a change because Ethereum was looking better than Bitcoin last week, in my opinion. But this isn't giving out. This doesn't feel like we're about to break out. This is giving real reversal vibes. Yeah. May get a short right here. Hold on. It could very well break out. What do you want me to look at? Look at Bitcoin ETH tile. Tile. This could be the short for Tile. At least back down here to daily GP. VWAPs are flipping bearish. I mean, they're bearish, but they're not like completely bearish. Maybe, or get back up here to year to date and reject. But if it does that, if it pushes up that high, then VWAP should flip bullish. But right now they're bearish. And we're at this month to date GPS that we've rejected from once, twice, 3 times already. I mean, if it's gonna go, you know, this would be the time for it. $298, yeah. You see, it doesn't like to stay above this month to date for too long, this GP. So yeah, if it is to go, kind of needs to like break out now and not be a fake one. Other than that, is this divergence on the 1 minute? It's got some bearish divergence over here on the 5. Yeah, other than that, it might keep pushing up. It's not very strong bear divs. I'm in a few long, so I hope everything pushes up. Yeah, we can look at gold. I'm long XLM and this coin called Night. Check that real quick while Night's going pretty good. I'm only long XLM and Night, NIGHT. I didn't trade this weekend for real.
Rolling up another blunt, nigga trying to get high.
Gold. What's the ticker for gold? XAU. Dang, should have long gold. This happened all today. I didn't get any alerts in Discord. Hold on. Let's see. Bot was trying to short the gold. Those are the last few alerts. I think my bot might be down. Dang, gold pump. So, are we long in gold now? Daily GP and weekly GP just reset as support. So, we got these areas to look at for now. If you're trying to get long gold, this looks like typical Saturday price action, and then just boom. Does this look finished? That might have been it. Damn. Man, I didn't look at gold earlier. Yeah, for real. You got a good long. I'd say watch out when we come into 43.6. We get back up here to this previous week. Golden pocket. Probably a good place to take profit. If you haven't taken profit already, some type of profits. Because they could swing this. This could be enough. They could come back up here. Take it all back. So, something to watch out for. And then if they do come back down here to this weekly GP, which will be formed right here, now that we know these levels, you know, if we don't lose it, then back test and go down, shoot, could make for another good long.
She don't wanna pop pills.
43.16.
See, back in my day, it was prescription sipping,
You now listen to
FedEx
the
shipping.
smooth sounds of freaking dead.
Yeah, it could be getting a little top heavy here.
Getting it. Yeah, I mean, every day I wake up and smoke weed all day.
Smoke weed all day.
Used to do numbers with a phone in the sack, 'cause I gotta get paid. I be serving dope. Man, I got the dope. Don't ask who got the dope. 'Cause bitch, I got the dope. I'm the dope man. I was rolling up that potent while I was smoking, man. A nigga got the
Might be a little short here on hype.
that a nigga should just serve the whole town and have the town geeking.
I'ma stack it. Flip it, I'ma stack it, then flip the whole package like. See a nigga got a O. Then I went and got another one. Now I got 2 O's. Double up, then I went and got 2 other ones. Every day I wake up and smoke weed all day.
Smoke weed all day.
Mr. Do numbers with a phone in the sack, cause I gotta get paid. I be serving dope. Man, I got the dope. Don't ask who got the dope. Cause bitch, I got the dope. I'm the dope, man.
Rolling up another blunt, nigga tryna get high, a nigga tryna get by, a nigga tryna stay fly. Say the plugger hit my phone, he got a new pack in. Say it's some exotic, I said
Maybe
nigga
something
quit
like this.
capping. He said pull up, we gon' smoke it, so I pulled up with a swisher. He ain't even bust the seal, I can still see the crystal. I rolled that shit up, we smoked that shit up. I put my feet up, cause I'm so geeked up.
No, I didn't check his exes. Well, I need to check. Oh, PivX has shorted. Every day I wake up.
And smoke weed all day. Mr. Do numbers with a phone in the sack, cause I gotta get paid. I be serving dope. I be serving dope. Man, I got the dope. Man, I got the dope. Don't ask who got the dope. Don't ask who got the dope. Cause bitch, I got the dope. Cause bitch, I got the dope. I'm the dope, man.
Oh, here I go with the dope. Hey, ain't it beat kinda phone? Gay. Shout out to JB. Let me hit that when you get done with it. Back to the
Q's. Oh, USDT. What's going on?
Hey, you know to hit my phone. Hey, don't ask me what the price.
Okay, so USDT dominance
1.5, come and get the ground.
opened up bullish.
I need the dub, I ain't fucking playing. I got kids,
So-
I got kids, man. Need the dub, need the whole 94-7. If you
I think the direction is still up.
for the 7 deep. And I ain't lying, you can get it. I let this shit go. Hear this motherfucking
But
hook behind me.
we're probably gonna go on it. Bitcoin's probably coming down tonight. USDT dominance does this.
JB.
Don't ask who got the dope.
Funky. You don't hear this motherfucker. I'm corn, by the way. I'm the dope, man.
So yeah, something to look out for if you're long. Alternatively. It does that. We get a final push up tonight with Bitcoin, and USDT dominance is finding some support on a new weekly GP, which would be bearish for the corn. So we need to be monitoring USDT dominance for sure, because this move down could seem real good for Bitcoin, and then it just bounces like so, and then Bitcoin starts chopping and slowly dumping. Chop dump. I would prefer it coming on up, Bitcoin dumping, and then we get into some longs going into the week. Because Bitcoin lock is going to come down anyways. But we've been waiting a short weekly GP since last week, so you know, there's that too. Q. Q's had a pretty decent weekend. She's been up since the bottom of Wednesday. Was hoping they would come back and come back down here to month to date, but they didn't. Month to date GP held pretty solidly. So we got a bearish open, so maybe we get a pullback going into New York. Got some alerts set. Might have missed it real long. I was watching it pretty closely too, so it kind of makes me upset, but it's all good. You win some, you lose some. Oh, we longer than NVIDIA this week. Gave this long last week. I'm guessing stocks and everything pushed up on that war news, the good war news, the ending and opening of the Strait. So let's have a look at those on pre-market. Allo could be about the pump. Scalped a few times last week. If this daily GP can hold, we'll probably come back up here and like we got this weekly GP, but it might not get any higher than weekly GP. That's the resistance for this week. So if this something like that. Beat, another coin called Beat, was trading in its year-to-date GPS zone and finally got above it and did a 300% move, along with like H. Did something similar. So maybe the Allo is next. Year-to-date GP has been holding steady. Hold on with the feelings. But nigga done had me tripping. No place she call me stay. It's time to play the game. And if year-to-date doesn't hold, then you know, some more red. I can't fall with you. I can't fall. Yeah, that's why I was trying to catch it so crazy, but dang, I just stopped watching it. I think SpaceX took all my brain power. So I drew some spider lines for SpaceX. As far as the crypto ticker futures is concerned, it opened up bullish. And if we do manage to pop back down here, might start picking up some steam from here. Even down here at this weekly GP. But if it's weekly GP, of course, if the daily GP doesn't hold, we're coming down to the weekly GP. But if the weekly GP doesn't hold, then probably start making our way back down to the 158. IPO price. Well, I don't know if we're gonna come as low as IPO price, but it might. If the weekly GP doesn't hold, anything's possible. Dang, Aloe dunk as soon as. Well, we can get rid of that. For it and we ain't leasing shit, we pay cash for it. The interior look like I chopped down a tree and threw that bitch on my dashboard. How you making dollars but it making sense? Blew the opportunity to get long on QQQ, so we'll look for a pullback on the mini GPS. I can't tell a nigga how to live his life, but I'ma live my life to the fullest. I can't tell a nigga how to earn his stripes, but I'ma teach him how to throw bullets. I was on the blocker with the maybe we'll get some type of dump this evening or overnight. I came back and made a couple plays, now I'm good now. Take my mama trips out the hood now, nigga. Just got that new coupe inside all wood now. Fast money, I love fast money. From the top. Last for me, nothing better than a bad bitch. You got some cash for me, fast money. I love fast money. They took all this. Last for me, nothing better than a bad bitch. You got some cash for me. Run it up. I don't even know if I want to long it all the way up here. If I do, it'd definitely just be some scalping due to New York. So nothing to touch right now. Gotta zoom in like this is crazy. Co-AI. I wonder is this Q2 GP gonna hold and they run this back up to the daily. I'm just looking at charts right now. If anybody wants me to look at something. Yo, what's going on, machine? I was just about to say, this looks like a short all the way down here too. Daily GP, unless this lovely thing starts breaking out. I don't think that's the case. oil. Let's look at it. I was saying earlier, I don't think anything has changed for real. Because, well, something's changed in the chart. Weekly GP for Bitcoin has reset at support. So that's the only thing that's changed. But we were looking at shorting the weekly GP already. And I think that is still the play. But I'll go back over it. We'll look at oil. So of course oil has been dumping because of the good news of the signing or whatever. And it just very well might keep dumping. It opened up bearish. It looks like it's already about to lose this daily GP. What's the actual oil ticker? Okay, so the actual oil ticker is tapping into its Q2 GP. You think the news is fake? Because that's interesting that today of all days we're coming into the daily or to the Q2 GP, and we see what happened last time on the Q2 GP. So was there any significant news on April 17th, Friday the 26th? This is the futures chart. I look at the that's what I'm thinking. And I just find it a little suspicious that of all days it's coming into this Q2 GP. Yeah, I mean, we got this year to date right up under it as well. I think I'm on the right one. So that'll be interesting. I mean, if we lost this Q2, we know it's coming straight for, year to date, but no real significant volume other than my indicator saying that, hey, this is a bottom. See, the last time we came into the Q2 GP, we had some volume tick in. So we'll probably have to see what happens going into New York, but I wouldn't be mad at it all. It's damn near like gambling, but it's like, it's kind of not, because well, this data's delayed. So USDT Dominance was telling us that, hey, Bitcoin might get a little dump tonight. And if that's the case, then oil just might move up tonight as well. So we got this gap. I don't know if I'd long it, but we're in that territory. Hello. Yeah, I think, not financial advice, but Bitcoin might be getting a little prepared to pull back. I got some alerts set on USDT Dominance just in case we get up here, start looking at longs for Bitcoin. Because right now the VWAPs are turning bearish, so it's feeling more and more like take back all that Sunday good stuff, or pop up to the high and then I probably should take profit on my little long here. My little long. So I'm praying for you with OPN. I would love for OPN to hold this daily GP and give you this long all the way up here to the weekly.
If loving you is wrong, shit, you can just stay for the night. Treat you like the one for the night. I'll put it down on you right.
Man, I might have to take this long myself. The fuck?
Hey, shawty, what your name is? You rocking them jeans so hard I can't contain it. If you got a man, girl, I won't complain. I won't hit you with that man, won't let you have no friends. But best believe a nigga trying to slip in, baby. And I'm trying to fall off the deep end.
Look,
Feeling on your stomach, trying to
if it does not hold this daily GP,
tell your heart to pieces.
I don't even know where to tell you where it's gonna go after that. Other than the future GP, the future what did I call this? Future GP? It can give you some zones, like damn. But hopefully they squeeze all of these shorters. Cause this thing is just, that's a terrible price actually. And if this daily GP does hold, they are sitting in 2 different places on the regular candles and the Heikin-Ashi. So they come on down and head for this weekly. You can watch this weekly GP. If it gets up here and rejects, it's probably it. But if I get above it, you know, just pay yourself. I just got my Market Cipher access revoked because I haven't paid the renewal for Market Cipher. So I won't be posting any Market Cipher ideas. Not that I was really doing it. I haven't used Market Cipher in a while. See if we can find something juicy. I'm in this long, trying to get it on up here. Take some profit up here. Yeah, I honestly haven't checked Market Cipher in months, to be honest. I had originally built the Oath Keeper. I originally built this indicator to trade alongside Market Cipher, and then kind of just got away from it. If you use Oath Keeper like right along with Market Cipher, the Oath Keeper usually prints before Market Cipher does. Market Cipher is or Market Cipher B is like extra confluence after the Oath Keeper prints. But shoot, I barely use Oath Keeper anymore. To be honest, like I really only use VivX, GPS, and my mini VWAPs, of course. And I don't even use mini VWAPs all day because they're only really good for checking in on the trend for real. Like right now, they're showing that this is bullish. We should keep pushing up a little bit. And gave the short up here on the top of the month day GP. Market Cipher was fire when I was using it, but it took me a long time to learn. And then I don't know, I just got away from it. Yeah, I was looking at power. I was actually looking at power because it was trying to hold this month-to-day GP. But I'm conflicted because as of right now, it opened up bullish, but the weekly GP opened up as a resistance, and so did the daily GP. So if it can't get back above, you know, play around here. If it can't get back above this zone, then probably heading lower. Hour has not been easy to trade because, or at least maybe it's just a timing thing on my end. It just hasn't really been that easy to trade for me. But technically, for now, it's bearish, even though it did open up bullish. And it being that it did open up bullish, I would expect more bearishness and for this to flip bear. But like I said, if this did get back up above daily and weekly GP, then it will probably head on up to previous GP. Now, if it makes highs from there, then, you know, whatever. But so yeah, probably just bad time because over here I was looking at it as a long and should have been looking at it as a short. Now that I see the VWAPs were bearish. So yeah, it needs some work. Yeah, I think it might continue on down because I was trying to get in the long, but longs just haven't been favorable. But it's definitely bearish. I haven't looked at H since the other day. H closed bearish and open bearish. So H may very well be a short. H is bearish on the Heikin-Ashi and the regular candles. I don't typically recommend a short when it's not at the resistance, but this would be invalid if it did this.
Tasha come straight from the shell. Them blueberry cookies the best. Everybody gon' eat with a blessing. Pouring syrup like we straight out of Texas. Niggas be counting your blessings. Don't wanna get reckless. Cause niggas be acting so extra. And bitches be acting so selfish. Everybody wanna
H, I think it's a long though. I don't think it's a long right now. I think we might get some longs going into Monday. And let this price action play out for the rest of the night. Yeah, I think the longs are setting up for Monday because JCT looks like it's going to come on down as well. Already rejecting here. We got bearish VWAPs and we're already rejecting here daily GB. I mean, what would change it? We get back above it. You know, that would change it, but look out for this year to date. We kind of got back above it, tagged it. So if we come back to it, that might be the long.
I want it all to be honest. Blue hunters wrapped in the zone. 4G auto with the drip. On the Bentley, what the fuck the top at?
I need it all to be honest. When I get it, still rock the Adidas. Blue McLaren man, with the reef. On the seal when I need it. I want it all. I want it all.
I want it all. I want it all. I want it all. I want it all. I want it all.
Potentially.
I want it all.
May come a little lower than that.
I want it all. I want it all.
Like, I'm never around when price just hits to these GPS zones at these exact points, because that's ridiculous.
Cuzzo, get in. Let me talk to you, bro.
What's going on, Cuzzo? Talk to me, man.
Going on, man.
Shit, same old.
Need to get this pack moving, goddamn. With Bizzle at, goddamn.
Shit,
Y'all playing.
Come on now. Stop
Told
what I
you,
said.
goddamn. Trying to get
Yeah,
half a
that's
bag
exactly
tomorrow.
what I'm thinking. For
Talking like 10 minutes.
majority of everything.
10 minutes, baby. Yeah, you talking about.
Okay. Sound about right.
I know
That sound
you
about
do.
right.
Shit.
We can do something.
Go make a move.
I'm getting along on BVV.
Don't need help, I'm strapped. My dope good, I keep me a pack. No Santa Claus, ain't dog, I'm bunking that sack. Been jugging since been jugging, I trap. Fuck
Fuck
let
let
do
do
it.
it.
Fuck
Fuck
let
let
do
do
it.
it.
Nigga need a Buick.
428s. Might throw 'em on a Buick. Nigga get to it.
Smoke a lot of gas.
Gas.
Blowing on gas, stay with a pad. I got that pack, I smoked that pack, I rolled that pack and sold that pack. Now partner pull up on me.
Pull up on me.
Tell me what you need.
What you need?
Bitch, I got that fire. Incense for weed. You don't want no pressure, cause I check your PSI. Fuck around with me, and I put
Well,
you
I done
in
pretty
the
much
sky.
went over everything.
Been jugging, I trap. Make money
Still
with
holding this
the
extra
phone,
limb on.
need an app. Dish the phone, go get a phone.
Should
if
probably
it's
cut it.
tapped. Then do that, crank the trap back. No seat belt, don't
Yeah,
need
I'm
help,
trying not to
strapped. My
get
dope
too many
good, I
ideas in
keep
my
me
head. So
a
for now,
pack. No Santa Claus, ain't dog, I'm bunking
we're gonna
that
stick with
sack.
the fact of
Been jugging since been jugging, I trap. No seat belt, don't need help, I'm strapped. My dope good, I keep me a
I
pack.
say come back around. I don't know
No
what
Santa Claus, ain't dog, I'm bunking that sack.
3-4 o'clock and see what's going on.
Jugging since been jugging, I trap.
Trapping, stack it, flip it, stack
Not
it,
amount of
tryna
alerts.
run it up.
They want me to
Had drop the
upgrade to
feeling
get more
for
alerts,
these
bro.
hoes,
It's
so I could
crazy,
run it
bro.
up.
It's
These niggas been
crazy.
a bitch since day one. Same niggas talking shit, but ain't said shit since day one. I got a pack, my bro got a pack, his blood got a pack. The whole family we trap.
Damn,
Don't
should I
come
have taken
looking
this
for
short?
no problems. We'll run that shit fast. We gon' serve you with a smile.
Oh,
Tell
the
you
moon
know that.
indicator.
I got a pack. My bro got a pack. His blood got a pack. The whole family we trap.
I definitely said I was gonna look at it earlier.
My bro got a pack.
What did I call it?
Blood got a pack. The whole family we trap.
No seat belt, don't need help, I'm strapped. My dope good, I keep me a pack. No Santa Claus, ain't dog, I'm bunking that sack. Been jugging since been jugging, I trap. No seat belt, don't need help, I'm strapped. My dope good,
I mean, if we
keep
ignored
me a
all the
pack.
rest of the TA, then
No Santa Claus, ain't dog, I'm bunking that sack.
we would just get short right now, right?
Been jugging since been jugging, I trap.
This was our last new moon. I didn't take heed on the last new moon because we were already dumping, and then we just kept dumping.
Could be cuffing, but you don't know your place, and not for nothing. I don't wanna chase this life so comfy. You don't know you're my queen, but I want my best friend. I want my best friend. I'm in love with her. Oh, yeah, yeah.
That's curious.
With her. Oh, yeah. Cause I still love her. I still be thinking of her. I wanna cover her, but she makes
Dang.
me suffer.
Should we? I kind of want to throw on a speculative short because trying to fade the new moon on the last couple of new moon cycles has not been the wisest decision.
But rainbows come after rain. I know that nigga hurt you, but pleasure come with that pain. Patience is a virtue, but I don't wanna wait. If love don't let me get you, not ever again. I don't think you understand. I don't think you understand. I don't even wanna let you see us as friends. If I can't be your man, if I can't hold your hand, I ain't with nothing. If I can't be your man, if I can't hold your hand.
New moon has brought out pumps for oil. And we're at the Q2 GP. That can't be a coincidence. You know, I've never looked at it on USDT Dominance. Reset of the new moon was technically the long USDT down. Damn, I can't get no more information than this.
I don't even wanna let you see us as friends. If I can't be your man, if I can't hold your hand, I ain't with nothing. If I can't be your man, if I can't hold your hand, if I can't make you, yeah.
Okay, so final verdict. USDT dominance dumps a little bit. Bitcoin gets a pump. But that might be the short. We shall see this week.
I'm in love with the money. Ain't no love for the. I'm in love with the drugs. She in love with the plug. I'm in love with everything that I shouldn't be, and I know it. She in love with everything that she shouldn't be, and she know it. I'm in love with the money. Ain't no love for them. I'm in love with the drugs. She in love with the plug. I'm in love with everything that I shouldn't be, and I know it. She in love with everything that she shouldn't be, and she know it.
I'm in love with the money. I get that with the team. I do. Ain't my mouthpiece ignorant. It is. I done sold a lot of drinks. I done sold a lot of things. I done pulled a lot of links. I feel like the Incredible Hulk when I'm pouring up the grit. I'm in love with the fact my past feelings was left behind. Got a transformer sign on my dick cause your bitch calls it a Decepticon. Who's next in line? I am not Waldo, nigga, and
I am out of alerts, of course, we knew this.
It's kinda hard to go out bad when all you bring is cash.
Gotta delete something because I need an alert here.
I'm in love with the drugs. She in love with the plug. I'm in love with everything that I shouldn't be, and I know it.
Okay, so
Love with everything that she shouldn't be, and she know it. I'm in love
let's keep this simple.
Ain't no love for them.
New moon,
With the drugs.
retest of 67.5.
I'm in love with everything that I shouldn't be, and I know it. She in love with everything that she shouldn't be, and she know it.
If we don't start rejecting, I'm here to take this candle back for longs. But if the longs bring us up here to this area, then we need to be looking for shorts right here. For sure. So yeah, nothing's changed. Still looking at shorts and weekly. If we get above a little bit, then, you know, I'm thinking shorts might be the real direction. So until we get above the weekly GP and hold, and right now we're above it. So that's what I'm watching for the week. We'll tap back in on Wednesday. I might go live before then, or just put up an updated video or something, but you know, pretty much I'm always posting in Discord, so if you're not in Discord, you should try the Discord out. Other than that, I'll holler at y'all later. Like the stream. Appreciate everybody coming out. Yeah, Monday is usually fake move, so Sunday is usually fake move into a Monday fake move. And we get some real movement Wednesday going into the end of the week. So we're gonna see what happens with all this news and Trump and Iran and everything else. So we'll holler at y'all later.
I'm in love with the money. Ain't no love for the. I'm in love with the drugs.